Okay, namaste everyone. Just sit in any comfortable pose on a mat. Sit straight, keep your spine straight, roll your shoulders up, back and down, open your chest. Prepare yourself for today's class. Take a deep breath in, roll through your nostrils, and deep breath out. Again, take a deep breath in and deep breath out. Now we'll chant one time Om all together. Take a deep breath in. Join your both palms together and slowly put down your head towards God. And thanks God for giving us strength for today's class. Gently open your eyes and come for the tabletop position on the mat. Now we do cow and cat pose. Inhale, look up, curve your spine, and exhale, look down. Make a hump on your back. Push your shoulder blades away from each other and lock your chin on your chest. Again, inhale, look up, and exhale, look down. Inhale. With inhalation, you have to look up. Your head will be also looking up. Look towards the ceiling. Push your lumbar spine down, tailbone out, and exhale. Lock your chin on your chest. One more last time. Inhale and exhale. Now neutralize your spine. Come in between. Come in front. Now inhale with right arm front and left leg back. Balance on your right knee and your left palm. Your right leg will go up straight front and left leg stretch back. And exhale, touch your elbow to your knee. Inhale again, look front. And exhale, go down. Again, inhale. And exhale. One more time, inhale, look front. And exhale, elbow to your knee. Now drop your right palm down, left knee down, and change your hand and change your leg. Inhale, left arm front and right leg back. Exhale again, touch your elbow to your knee. Inhale again, open yourself, open hands, open your leg, and exhale again, try to touch your elbow to your knee. Inhale again, and exhale, elbow to your knee. Now slowly drop your left leg, left hand, and right knee down. Now inhale, raise your right arm by the side. Exhale, drop your right hand or right shoulder under your left hand. Inhale, left arm up and twist your thoracic, twist your spine. Inhale, first right arm up, and then you can put your right arm down, right shoulder down, and left arm up. Twist yourself. Open your spine. Look at your left palm and hold 1. Lift your left hand up, 2, 3, left hand, 4, and 5. Exhale, drop your left hand down, left palm down. Inhale, right arm by the side, and exhale. Again, come back into tabletop position. Now inhale, lift your left arm up. Exhale, drop your left arm under your right hand. And inhale, right arm up. Look at your right hand, right palm, and twist yourself forward. And hold there for 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Exhale, drop your right hand on the floor. And again, inhale, left arm up. Don't come back directly. Left arm up, and then drop your left palm again on the mat. Again, now you have to inhale, right arm up over your head. Exhale, drop your right hand, right shoulder on the floor. But now you have to not raise your left arm up. You have to stretch your left arm over your head like this. Make a finger curl and try to touch your fingertips on the floor with your left hand. And just keep walking with your fingers towards the right side and twist. Look at your left armpit and hold 1, and nice, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Inhale, right arm up, left palm on the mat, right arm by the side, and exhale, drop your right hand. Now change your hand, inhale, left arm up, exhale, drop your left arm under your right hand, drop your left shoulder, inhale, right arm stretch over your head, and look at your right armpit and hold for 5 counts. 1, 2, twist yourself as much as you can go. 3, 4, and 5. Place your right arm again on the mat. Inhale, left arm over your head, and exhale, left palm down. Now you have to lean front, inhale. You have to, while inhalation, you have to lean front as much as you can lean forward, okay? Lean. And exhale, again, come back. Inhale, again, lean yourself front. Make a small hump on your upper thoracic part and push your shoulder blades away and lean more. And exhale, again, come back. Inhale, again, go front. And exhale, come back. Last one more time. Inhale, front. Lean yourself and hold for 5 counts. 1, do not push your hips down, tailbone out. Do not press like this, okay? Tailbone out and push your shoulder blades away. 2, 3, don't bend your elbows. Keep your elbows straight. 4, and 5. Again, exhale, come back. Come back into ball top position. Now slowly tuck your toes and slightly lift your knees up from the floor like this. Slightly knees up. Now go towards the right side. Go towards the right side. Lean towards the right side like this on your right hand. No, don't bend your hips. Just your hips will be front. You have to lean like this, not like this. Okay, this is wrong. Only this you have to do. Again, come front and go towards the left side on your left hand. Do not bend your hip left side. Just lean from your upper body towards the left side. Again, inhale, come front, and exhale, go towards the right side. Lean towards the right side. The hips will not go right side, only your upper body will go. Okay, look here properly how I am doing. You are doing this wrong like this. This is wrong. This is right. Again, come front, inhale, exhale. Take a deep breath in. Again, go towards the left side. Exhale. Inhale, right side. Exhale. Inhale, left side. Okay, like this you have to do. Now slowly drop your knees down. Now you have to make a circle. Drop your knees down. Now you have to make a circle. First lean right side as much as you can lean. Then you have to go front, then left side, and then come back. Again, go towards the right side, lean front, left side, and come back. Inhale, right side, front, left side, and exhale, come back. While inhalation, you have to go front. Exhalation, you have to come back. Now change the direction of the circle. Go from left side first. Lean yourself left side, then come front, then right side, and then come back. Again, left side, front, right side, and come back. One more time, left side, front, right side, and then just come back. Now slowly keep your toes tucked. Now bend your both elbows and just keep pressing your thoracic down. Don't go back. Keep your knee and hips in one line and try to touch your thoracic or chest on the floor. Keep pressing with your elbows. Your chest part, try to touch your chest on the floor and don't slide front as well. Very nice. Now again come for the tabletop position. Now inhale, lift your right leg up to bend your right knee towards your head, lift your chest up. Exhale, squeeze your hips, try to touch your forehead on your knee. Try to touch your forehead on your knee. Again, inhale, up, look up, bring your right leg towards your head. Try to touch your toes on your head and exhale again, knee to your forehead. Inhale again, lift and exhale, knee on your forehead. One more last time, inhale, lift your leg up and hold there for 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Exhale, knee to your forehead. Now drop your knee down and change your knee. Change your leg. Now lift your left leg up high in the air. Bend your left knee towards your head. Open your chest, roll your shoulders, head up. Don't look down. When your leg is up, you have to look up. Exhale, now touch your knee on your head. Inhale, once again, lift your left leg up. Bend your left knee towards your head. And exhale, again go down. Touch your forehead on your knee. Inhale again, lift. And exhale, touch your forehead. One more time, inhale, lift yourself, raise your leg up, and hold for 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Exhale, head on your knee. And drop your knee on the floor. Now slowly come for the downward facing dog. Come to downward facing dog and then try to bend your both elbows and come on your elbows. Rotate your shoulders out, okay? This is inward rotation and this is outward rotation of the shoulder. So you have to rotate your shoulders out while in plank position. This, you have to do this. Rotate your shoulders out. This is in, this is out. Sorry, not plank, yes, in downward facing dog. On your elbows. Okay, again, push your both elbows inside, but rotate your shoulders outside. And now try to just press it down as much as you can and feel the stretch coming from your thoracic and your scapula, shoulder blades. Inhale again, lean front, try to touch your head between your both palms. And again, stretch yourself down. Keep pressing, try to touch your heel also. Inhale again, touch your forehead between your both palms. Lean front for touching head and exhale again, look back, push your shoulder blades down, thoracic down. Inhale again, touch and exhale, look down. One more time, inhale, touch your forehead and exhale. Now just come for the downward facing dog again. Now slowly walk front and just stand up into Samasthiti for sun salutation. Take 1 feet distance from a mat. Ekam, inhale, we will do sun salutation. Ekam, inhale, raise your both arms up over your head for Urdhva Vrikshasana. Do exhale, go fully forward down. In Urdhva Vrikshasana, we have to not do back bend. Just stretch yourself up. 3D inhale, look front, lengthen your spine. Chatwari exhale, jump back, Chaturanga Dandasana. Pancha inhale, Urdhmukha. Set exhale, Adhomukha. Now look at your navel point and just try to touch your heel on the mat. Keep hip distance, keep your feet hip distance apart. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now bend your both knees, look front and jump between your both palms for Ardha Uttanasana into halfway look up. You have to look front when you jump back. Keep pushing your spine down. Don't make a curve on your spine. Exhale, go fully forward down. Inhale, all the way come up for Urdhva Vrikshasana. And exhale, Samasthiti. Second round, ekam, inhale. Dve, exhale. 3D, inhale, look front. Chatwari, exhale, jump back. Pancha, inhale, Urdhmukha. Sat, exhale, Adhomukha. Again, look at your navel point and hold 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Sapta, bend your both knees, jump front. Ashto, exhale, go fully forward down. Nava, inhale, all the way come up. And exhale, Samasthiti. Third round, again, ekam, inhale. 2, exhale. 3D, inhale, look front. Chatwari, exhale, jump back. Pancha, inhale. Sat, exhale. Again, hold 1, 2, exhale, downward facing dog. 3, 4, 5. Sapta, bend your both knees, jump front. Ashto, exhale, go forward down. Nava, inhale, all the way come up. And exhale, Samasthiti. Fourth round again, ekam, inhale. Urdhva Vrikshasana. Do exhale, go forward towards your leg for Uttanasana. 3D, inhale, look front, lengthen your spine. Chatwari, exhale, jump back, Chaturanga Dandasana. Pancha, inhale, Urdhmukha. Sat, exhale, Adhomukha. Again, hold 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Sapta, bend your both knees, jump front. Ashto, exhale. Nava, inhale, all the way come up. And exhale, Samasthiti. Fifth and last round, ekam, inhale, sweep your arms up for Urdhva Vrikshasana. Do exhale, Move forward down from a hip joint for Uttanasana. Ready, inhale, look front, lengthen the spine. Chatwari, exhale, jump back Chaturanga. Pancha, inhale, Urdhmukha. Sat, exhale, Adho Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Sapta, bend your both knees, jump front. Ashto, exhale, go fully forward down. Now I inhale all the way, come up. Exhale, Samasthiti. Now we'll do sun salutation B. A, come, inhale, bend your both knees, raise your both arms up over your head for Utkatasana, chair pose. Do exhale. Ready, inhale, look front. Chatwari, exhale, jump back. Pancha, inhale. Sat, exhale. Sapta, bring your right leg front for warrior A. Hold into warrior A. 1. Keep pushing your pelvis down, front leg 90. Don't lift your back heel, drop your back heel on the mat. Slightly turn your back heel 5 degrees in and hold. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Exhale again, go back into Chaturanga Dandasana. Now inhale, Urdhmukha. Dasa, exhale, Adho Ekadasa, bring your left leg front for warrior A. Hold into warrior A with your left leg. 1. Again, keep pushing. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now again, jump back. Dwadasa, jump back into Chaturanga. Triyodasa, inhale. And Chaturdasa, exhale. Hold there. 2, chai breathing. 1, deep breathing. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now bend your both knees, jump front into halfway look up, Urdhva Exhale, go fully forward down, Uttanasana. Inhale, all the way, come up, Utkatasana. Exhale, Samasthiti. Second round, they come, inhale. Do exhale. Three, inhale, look front. Chatwari, exhale, jump back. Pancha, inhale. Sat, exhale. Sapta, bring your right leg front for warrior A again. Hold into warrior A. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now again, jump back into Chaturanga. Inhale, Urdhmukha. And exhale, Adho. Now bring your left leg front for warrior A. Again, hold into warrior A. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Very nice. Exhale. Again, go back. Chaturanga. Inhale, Urdhmukha. And exhale, Adho. Ekadasa, bring the left leg front for warrior A. Hold into warrior A from the left leg. Again, hold. 1, 2, 3, 4. A, warrior A, go. 5. Exhale. Jump back Chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. And exhale, downward facing dog. Hold there for 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now punch this up, bend your both knees, jump front into halfway look up. Sodasa, exhale, go fully forward down. Saptadasa, inhale, come up, Utkatasana, and exhale, Samasthiti. Third round, ekam, inhale, two exhale, three inhale, look front, Chatwari exhale, jump back, Pancha inhale, Sat exhale, Sapta, bring your right leg front for warrior B. Make warrior B from your right leg. Again hold for warrior B. 1, just sideways. 2, front leg 90. Keep back feet slightly 5 degree in. 3, look at your right hand, Hastagra Drishti. 4 and 5. Vastu exhale, jump back. Nava inhale and Dasa exhale. Ekadasa, bring your left leg front for warrior B. Make warrior B from your left leg. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Exhale, go back to Chaturanga. Inhale, Urdhmukha, and exhale, Adho Mukha. Again, hold for 5 counts here. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bend your both knees, jump front. Sudasa, exhale, go fully forward down. Saptadasa, inhale, come up. Utkatasana, exhale, Samasthiti. 4 and last round we will do. Ekam, inhale, again come for the chair pose. 2 exhale, 3 inhale, look front. Chatwari exhale, jump back. Pancha inhale, Sat exhale, Sapta, bring your right leg front for warrior B. Make warrior B. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Exhale, jump back, Chaturanga. Inhale, Urdhva, and exhale, Adho Mukha. Now again look at your navel point. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now bend your both knees, jump front. Exhale, go fully forward down. Inhale all the way, come up for the chair pose. Exhale, Samasthiti. Okay, now do Kati Chakrasana. And now we will do the first pose, Padangushtasana. Ekam, inhale, jump, open your legs, shoulder width apart. Keep your both arms on your waist. You have to open your legs, shoulder width apart, not more than that. Both toes front. Exhale, go fully forward down from your hip joint. Try to reduce the curve from your spine. Both palms, grab your big toe from your both first 2 fingers of your hand. Inhale, straight your both elbows, look front. And do exhale, go fully forward down. Bend your elbows out, look between your both legs, and drishti should be Nasadra. Look. Hold 1. Keep pushing your spine down. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Inhale, look front. Exhale, palms on your waist. Inhale, all the way come up. Exhale, Samasthiti. Okay, now we will do Padasthasana. Ekam, inhale, again bend your both knee. Ekam, inhale, jump, open your legs, shoulder width apart. Keep your both palms on your waist. Exhale, go fully forward down. Try to put your both palms under your feet like this. under your feet. Inhale, look front, straight your both elbows. Keep pressing your spine down, open your chest, roll your shoulder. And exhale, fully bend forward, both elbows out, and hold there for 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Inhale again, look front. Exhale, press your palm. Look front. Keep your both palms on your waist. Inhale, all the way come up. Exhale again, jump back into Samasthiti. Now we'll do, can anybody tell which is the next pose? Any guess? Yeah, triangle pose, nice. Now again, come in front of mat, send your right leg back, 4.5 feet apart. Always send your right leg back. Now right toe out and left toe in. Inhale, raise your both arms by the side. Exhale, first lean forward, lean yourself forward, right side. And grab your both big toe, go fully forward down, grab your both big toe from your first 2 fingers. And inhale, rotate your head up and look at your left palm. Very nice. Very good. If anyone cannot grab their big toe while keeping their knee straight, they can just put their hand on your shin bone. But keep your knee straight. And look up. 1, yes. 2, 3, keep your hips in and chest out. 4 and 5. Exhale, look down. Inhale, come up. Now left toe out, right toe in. Now again, exhale, first lean and then grab your big toe. First lean yourself from front and then down. Now grab your left big toe from your first 2 fingers. Inhale, look your head up at your upper palm, right palm. And again hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Exhale, look down, inhale, come up. And jump front into Samasthiti. Shake your legs, shake your hands. Now we will do next pose, Parivartit Trikonasana. Again, send your right leg back. 4.5 feet apart, right toe out, left toe in. Inhale, raise your both arms by the side, square your hips. Exhale, place your left palm out of your right feet. If you cannot place, it's okay. You can keep your left palm on your shin bone of your right leg. But keep your knees straight. Knees straight. Yes. Palm, palm. Yes. And inhale, right arm up and look at your right palm. Twist your spine, maintain your balance and hold. 1, 2, Hardeep ji, turn. Right palm on out of your left leg. जो आपका राइट पाम है उसे रखना है, ट्विस्ट करना है हमें. 2, जो आपका राइट पाम है उससे लेफ्ट लेग के बाहर रखना है. यस यस, आउट आउट रखिए उसे अपने लेफ्ट पाम के. हाँ. 3, ओके नाइस. 4 and 5. Exhale again, look down, inhale, come up. Now left toe out and right toe in. अपना लेफ्ट फीट बाहर को करिए, राइट साइड, लेफ्ट साइड and right toe in. Very nice. Again, don't put your hands down. Come in the position. Square your hips. Now place your right palm out of your left feet and left arm up and maintain your balance and hold for 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Exhale, look down. Inhale, come up and then jump front into Samasthiti or stepping back into Samasthiti. Again, shake your legs. Now we will do the next pose. Utthita Parshvkonasana. Send your right leg back, 4.5 feet apart again. Right toe out, bend your right knee at 90. Slide your left heel slightly back. Inhale, raise your both arms by the side. Exhale, keep your elbow on your right knee and left arm over your head, stretched. Again, hold, open your chest, look at your left armpit or your left palm. 2, if not, look front, look up and twist. 3, 4, and 5. Exhale, look down, inhale, come up, and then change your side. Left toe out, right toe in. Bend your left leg. Place your left elbow on your left knee. Inhale, right arm over your head. Open your chest as much as you can and hold. Very nice. Rotate your shoulder outwards. Okay, this is the rotation you have to do. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Exhale again, look down, inhale, come up, and stepping your right foot back into Samasthiti. Again, shake your legs and prepare yourself for Parivartit Parshvanasana. Again, send your right leg 4.5 feet apart, right toe out, left toe in, bend your right knee at 90, twist your spine and just keep your hips square. Now place your left elbow on your right knee and make Namaste. Place your left elbow on your right knee and make Namaste. Hardeep ji, left elbow, left elbow. Yeah, like hold 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Exhale again, look down. Inhale, come up. Open your hands and turn your toes out. Left toe out, right toe in. Now bend your left leg at 90. Place your right elbow on your left knee. And again, twist yourself, make Namaste. Again, hold 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Exhale, look down, inhale, come up, and stepping your right foot back into the Samasthiti. Shake your legs, shake your hands. Now we'll do Parasarita Paduttanasana. Stepping your right foot back, 4 feet apart, both toes front, slightly heel out, toes front. Inhale, keep your both palms on your waist, lift your chest up, head up, keep pressing your elbows closer to each other, and exhale, go forward from your hip joint and place your both palms between your both legs. Yes, inhale, straight your both elbows, look front, lengthening your spine. Exhale, bend your both elbows inside and look between your both legs. Try to touch your crown head on the mat, but do not open your legs more than 4 or 4.5 feet. 1, hold there. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Inhale, just straight your both elbows. Exhale, keep your both palms on your waist. Inhale, all the way come up, and exhale, release your hand. Again, inhale, keep your both palms on your waist, look up, press your both elbows closer to each other. Exhale, go fully forward down without removing your palms from your waist and try to touch your forehead or your crown head on the mat and hold. 1, do not remove your palms now. Keep your palms on your waist only. Keep pressing your elbows inside. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Inhale, all the way come up, straight up. And exhale, release your palms. Again, inhale, interlace your fingers behind your back. Rotate your palm out. Inhale, lift your chest up. Look up. Exhale, go fully forward down. And again, try to touch your crown head on the mat. And hold for 5 counts. 1. Take your hands, take your fingers as much as closer to your mat. 2. 3, 4, and 5. Inhale all the way, come up, and exhale, remove your palms. Now we'll do Parasarita Paduttanasana D. There are 4 variations, 3 we have done. Now we'll do the 4th variation. Inhale again, place your both palms on your waist, look up, exhale, go fully forward down. Now grab your both big toes from your first 2 fingers. Inhale, straight your both elbows, and while exhalation, bend your both elbows out and touch your head on the floor. Again, hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, straight your elbows. Exhale, keep your both palms on your waist. Inhale, all the way come up, and exhale, jump back into Samasthiti. Shake your legs, shake your hands, and prepare yourself for the next pose, pyramid pose. Again, send your right leg back 3.5 feet apart now. Parshvottanasana. Make Namaste behind your back, square your hips, keep your hips square. Make Namaste behind your back. Exhale, go forward down towards your right leg. Try to touch your belly on your thighs, chest on your knee, and your chin or your forehead on your shin bone. But do not bend your knee. It's okay, just keep your spine straight if you're gonna go deep down. 2, 3, maintain your balance. 4, 5, inhale all the way, come up. Don't remove your palms, just turn your left feet out and right feet in. Now go forward towards your left leg, exhale, and again hold for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Inhale all the way, come up, and exhale again, stepping your right foot front, removing your hands, and come into the Samasthiti. Shake your hands a little bit, shake your legs. Now we'll do the next pose. Utthita Hasta Padangusthasana. Bend your right leg at 90 and show you. Okay, you have to bend your right leg at 90. Knee and grab, put your left palm on your waist. Grab your big toe and inhale straight your left front. Maintain your balance on your left leg. Exhale, try to touch your forehead on your shin bone, or chin on your shin bone. And then inhale again, come back up. Take your right leg, right side. Take your right leg, right side. And you have to look left side. And then again, bring your right leg front. Exhale, forward down. And for release your leg for Padasana. And then come down. Okay, again come in front of the mat. Bend your right knee at 90. Grab your big toe. You can use strap or something. If you don't have, you can use your wall as well. You can put the lower part of the feet on the wall. And if you have the strap or something, rope and all, then you can use it on your leg. Yeah, nice. If you don't, it's okay. You can put your leg on the wall. Yeah. And grab your big toe. Grab your big toe, straight your leg. Inhale, bend your elbow and try to inhale, and with exhale, bend your elbow and try to touch your forehead on your shin bone and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now take your right leg, right side, look left side, palm Parshu Drishti, and hold again for 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again, exhale, take your leg front, inhale, and exhale again, try to touch your forehead on your shin bone and release your leg for Padasana. Just lift your right leg up. Do not lean back. Release your leg. Keep your both palms on your waist. Lift your right leg up for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4. You have to just lift your leg up like this. And 5. Exhale down. Now change your leg. Now we'll do the same with our left leg. Now bend your left knee at 90. Grab your left big toe and inhale. Straight your leg, and with exhalation, try to touch your sing bone on your head or your head on your sing bone and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now take your left leg, left side, and look right side. Dakshin Pashwa Drishti. Drishti should be at your right side. Again, hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Take your left leg front. Inhale up and exhale. Try to touch your head on the sing bone and release. Now lift your leg without using your hands. 1, very nice. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Slowly drop your leg down, shake your leg. So now we'll do, now just come in front of your mat. Now we will go for the Utkatasana pose, chair pose. This is also a primary series pose. Okay, sorry, I left one more pose. Ardha Baddha Padmottanasana. Okay, it's a little bit hard. Now you have to bend your right knee. First look here. You have to bend your right knee. Keep pushing your knee inside. Okay. Now grab your right feet with your right hand, if you can. If you cannot, you can use stripe or something. Inhale, left arm up, and exhale, bend forward. Balance on your left leg and totally bend forward, and try to touch your forehead on your shin bone if you can, and place your left palm just out of your left feet and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then slowly come up and release your leg. Okay. Now bend your right leg over your left thigh. If you cannot grab your leg, it's okay. You can just keep your leg bent and keep your hand behind your back. And if you can use the stripes to grab on your leg and then hold your leg. Inhale, left arm up, and exhale slowly and gently. Be careful and drop your left palm outside of your left feet. Be careful with your leg. You may hurt yourself if you disbalance. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Inhale, slowly come up. And exhale, release your leg, release your hand. Very nice. Very good. Shake your leg. Shake your leg a little bit. And then change your leg. Now bend your left leg over your right thigh. Bend your left leg over your right thigh. And grab your left feet with your left palm behind your back. If you cannot, just stay there, leave it. Inhale, lift your right arm up. And exhale again, bend forward towards your right leg. And hold there for 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Slowly inhale, come up and remove your leg, remove your hands, shake your both legs. Now again, take 1 feet distance from your mat. Now we will go to the next pose, Utkatasana. Ekam, inhale, raise your both arms up over your head for Urdhva Vrikshasana, not Utkatasana, Urdhva Vrikshasana. This is the sequence to go into Utkatasana. Urdhva Vrikshasana, straight. Yes. No, don't bend your knees now. Don't bend your knees. See, it's a way to go to the sitting poses. Okay. So I will show you how you will go to the sitting postures. Ekam inhale, raise your both arms up. For Urdhva Ichhasana, raise your both arms up. Do exhale, go fully forward down. Tridi inhale, look front. Chatwari exhale, jump back. Pancha inhale, upward facing dog. Sat exhale, downward facing dog. Sapta bend your both knees and jump front for Utkatasana. Now directly jump front for Utkatasana. Again hold into Utkatasana for 5 seconds. Don't cross your toes with your knees. 2, sit back. 3, yes, nice. 4 and 5. Now press your palms, lift yourself up and jump back into Chaturanga. Lift yourself in Adho Vrikshasana if you can. Adho Vrikshasana means handstand. Inhale, upward facing dog and exhale, downward facing dog. Now bring your right leg front for warrior A. Make warrior A. So after Utkatasana, our next pose is warrior A and B. Okay, remember that. Hold 1, 2, 3, square your hips. 4, 5. Turn left side. Make warrior A left side. 5. Left side. Turn your left toe out. Right toe in. 4. This is a sequence to go into sitting posture. 3, 2, 1. Open your hands. Make warrior B left side. Look left side, not right side. Same side where you are. 1, hold there. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now turn right side. Make warrior B right side. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now exhale. Again jump back into Chaturanga. Inhale Urdhmukha and exhale Adho Mukha, downward facing dog. So from here, now we will jump into Dandasana and I'll show you how you have to jump into Dandasana. It requires strength to jump. You can use blocks, bend your both knees, jump up and sit into Dandasana. Now just sit in any comfortable pose. We will do sitting postures tomorrow because time is up for today. Sit in any comfortable pose, close your eyes, take a deep breath in and deep breath out. Deep breath in and deep breath out. Now chant Om 1 time inside your mind. Join your both palms together, rub your both palms, apply in your face, apply in your eyes, apply in your whole body, and then slowly bow down head towards God and thanks God for giving us strength for today's class. Now while blinking, gently open your eyes. So if you want to ask any question, you can ask. Okay, so no questions. We will continue our sitting postures tomorrow. Namaste everyone. Have a good day.